Hi, I'm Alexander, and it's the time again, it's the colour of the month, which is just great because it allows me to showcase colours that are really kind of sparking out at me for one particular reason or for no particular reason, just something I'm thinking about. So colour of the month is here again, and I'm showing you the wig Bryony, and on Bryony we have this colour which is called Billionaire Blonde. So wonderful. Why is it called Billionaire Blonde? It's called Billionaire Blonde because it's a very expensive, classy blonde shade. Now, over here we have this wonderful creamy face framing highlights. We have a medium chocolate root, and we have that kind of mushroom cream blonde running throughout. Really expensive to create. You know, I'm a hairdresser and a hair colorist. You know, this level of toning, it's so hard to achieve. So hence why it's got that really expensive, luxurious feel. So I'm just gonna take her off the head a little bit, just to give her a swish. So you see this wonderful, creamy kind of highlights around the front are just looking magnificent. If you look at that. And then of course, go out the back, it almost looks tipped, like a little bit ombre towards the back area. When you see this coming down, it looks fantastic. Now, Bryony itself is a heat-friendly wig, so Billionaire Blonde is a heat-friendly colour, and just looks amazing. So good, straight, curly, short or long. This is one of those colours that transfers really well. Now, if you were to have a more of a fringe style, the Billionaire Blonde, those lighter, creamier pieces, would sit on the fringe and around the face. So again, framing the face with a lighter colour, you know, giving you more light to your face, not meaning you to be drowned out. So this colour itself adds warmth, definition, and it just feels absolutely fantastic. So this is my colour of the month. It is Billionaire Blonde, and we love it.